Okay, student, good morning. Sit down. Okay, fine. As in the last period, you already know about chemical reaction, chemical equation, and how to balance a chemical equation. Yes or no? When there are different number of elements, suppose A plus B gives rise to C. This is a normal equation. If there are different number of atoms in both sides, that is reactant and product side, it is called skeletal equation or skeletal chemical equation. After balance or after when we make the number of reactants equal to product, it is called balanced chemical equation. Already you know about this in the last period. Okay. Now today we will read another important topic, types of chemical reaction. Types of chemical reaction. Types of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is chemical reaction. Again, types of chemical reaction. That means chemical reactions are various types. And whenever we study about type, there must be a base. Base मतलब base means क्या? हम कैसे इसको मॉडिफाई करते हैं, कैसे टाइप्स बनाते हैं. दैट मीन्स सपोज ए रिएक्शन ए प्लस बी देन सी प्लस डी. नाउ से मी व्हाट आर द चेंजेस इन रिएक्टेंट्स एंड प्रोडक्ट्स. व्हाट आर द चेंजेस? According to our law of conservation of mass, there is no change in mass. Mass is same. Symbol are same. Yes or no? But what is the change? Change in only the arrangement. As in the previous class you know, H2O is formed by a bond between hydrogen and oxygen, and NaCl, that is common salt, is formed by a bond between sodium and chloride. So, in a chemical reaction, there is breaking and forming or making of new bond. That means, in a chemical reaction, one bond break and other bond form. What happened in a chemical reaction? In a chemical reaction, one bond break, one type of bond break in the reactant side, and other bond will form. That means one bond break, other bond form. Based on this, based on the breaking and formation of bond, chemical reactions are many types. First, combination reaction. Second, decomposition. Third, displacement. Then, four, double displacement, and five, redox reaction. According to the breaking of bond and formation of new bonds, the chemical reactions are actually many types. But in our class 10, we have to study about the 5 types of reaction. First one is combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. Fourth one is double displacement, and last one is redox reaction. Okay, this is very important. One by one we will discuss in a single class. Okay, so now in this period we have to learn what is combination reaction. First, combination reaction. What is combination reaction? Combination reaction is the type A plus B combine to form a single product C. A and B are two reactants. It combine to form a single product C. Even there are more reactants, suppose A plus B plus C, even there are 3 reactants, it also produces a single product D. That means combine 2 or more reactants combine to form a single product, then this reaction is called combination reaction. Now you can write the definition of combination reaction. What is definition of combination reaction? A reaction in which 2 or more reactants, a reaction in which 2 or more reactants combine to form a single product is called combination reaction. It's called combination reaction. So what is the definition of combination reaction, or how can you define the combination reaction? A reaction, any reaction in which 2 or more reactant, understand, in which 2 or more reactant combine, 2 or more reactants combine to form a single product. Remember, product must be single. Product must be single. That means product must be one product. But in the reactant side, there may be 2 or 3 reactants. That type of reaction is called what? Combination reaction. To understand this combination reaction carefully, we have to do one activity. Okay? We have to do one activity. What activity? Suppose what activity? You take, what is this? This is beaker. This is a beaker, and put some calcium oxide. Put some calcium oxide. Okay. Now, what is the formula of calcium oxide? Who can say? CaO. Formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Yes or no? Now, CaO is the reactant, and we have to add water. We have to add water in this beaker. What is our activity? First, you take calcium oxide and add water to this. Now, what happened? There is CaO plus H2O. What will the product? Who can write? Try in your copy. Reactants are CaO and H2O. Then what will the product? Already we discussed in the previous class. Just write in your copy. See, according to valency, already in class 9 you know hydroxide. Yes or no? Class 9 you know valency of hydroxide. Class 9 you know the valency of calcium. Already you know. And already in class 9 I explained you about CaO and CaOH whole 2. Already I explained about it. Just write what will be the product. Anybody complete? Anybody complete? Okay, fine. Ca, what is your product? CaO. Your product is CaOH. Okay, fine. Look. So, listen, all of you do the right equation, but listen. CaO, you know CaO, calcium, this is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, or common name is quicklime. Quicklime. When react with water, what happened? This is a beaker. You just touch the wall of beaker. Understand? There is calcium oxide, quicklime. You put water. After that, touch the wall of beaker. You feel the beaker becomes hot. What will? You feel the beaker becomes hot. You feel hot. That means there is rise in temperature. Why? This is due to when calcium oxide or quicklime react with water, mix with water, it react very fastly or vigorously to form calcium hydroxide plus heat. Understand? Calcium hydroxide. This is calcium hydroxide with formation of hydroxide or slacked lime So, we feel the container, the wall of beaker becomes hot. Why? Due to reaction of quicklime with water to form slacked lime and heat. Heat formation is another part. This is a fillings, but our topic is there are two reactants. Reactants 1, reactants 2, reactant 1 and 2 combine to form a single product. Yes or no? How many products there are in this reaction? How many products? There is only one product, that is slacked lime or calcium hydroxide. This type of reaction is called combination reaction. Understand? Now again there is another topic. There is a formation of heat. There is a formation of heat. In which reaction there is formation of heat? This type of reaction is called exothermic reaction. Write down it. Exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Exo means outside, out. निकल जाना, बाहर जाना. That means exo. And endo means inside. And endo means inside. Endothermic reaction. In this reaction, there is formation of heat. Means heat is evolved or forms outside in the side of product. So it is called exothermic reaction. In other reaction, next class we will again read about what is endothermic reaction. But a reaction in which heat is absorbed. Absorbed means that is in reactant side, and that is called endothermic reaction. So this is a combination reaction with another type of reaction which is called exothermic reaction. Understand? Now this reaction is very useful. What useful? All you know, white washing of wall. Your wall, this wall is suppose yellow color, but normally we use white washing. The upper layer also white washing, yes or no? Normally we use white washing of wall. Yes, white washing. What happened in white washing? This reaction is used in white washing of wall. whitewashing of wall means now your product is CaOH whole 2. You put this solution in wall. Wall means open air. This is wall. In this atmosphere, there is carbon dioxide gas. Yes or no? There is carbon dioxide gas CO2. When this slacked lime combined with carbon dioxide gas of the atmosphere, what we do? We do just a whitewash in the wall. This is wall, we put a whitewash color. Then this slacked lime comes contact with carbon dioxide and form another compound, that is CaCO3. Who can say name of this compound? Who can say name of this compound? Raise your hand. What? Name of this compound? Yes. Calcium carbonate. Good. Name of this compound is calcium carbonate. And you know calcium carbonate is white color. Yes or no? It will form calcium carbonate and H2O. H2O will evaporate. Okay. This is the actual process of whitewashing. We have slacked lime react with calcium carbon dioxide, it form calcium carbonate. Now balance the reaction. Balance the reaction. It is already balanced. This reaction already balanced. Yes or no? Ca1, Ca1, C1, C1, O, 2 and 2, 4, O3, 1, 4, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2, already balanced. Okay, fine. Now it is, listen carefully. This is not a combination reaction. This is not a combination reaction. I explained just what happened after slacked lime when we use in whitewash. This is not a combination reaction. Combination reaction is this one. CaO plus H2O gives rise to CaOH whole 2. This is combination reaction. This is not combination reaction. I explained this only for remember that calcium carbonate used in whitewash. Again, it is very important. Calcium carbonate, you use chalk, yes or no? Chalk, marble, again limestone, all these have same formula. Chalk, marble, limestone, calcium carbonate, all these have same formula, that is CaCO3. Understand? Now some another combination reaction, very simple. Hydrogen add with oxygen to form H2O. Combination reaction. Yes or no? This is a combination reaction. Again, any addition, any combination reaction? Explain. H2, yes, good. H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to hydrochloric acid 2HCl. Combination reaction. Okay, fine. Now you got the clear idea about combination reaction. Okay, next class we will again read about decomposition reaction. This is combination reaction. Next class we will read about decomposition reaction. Decompose meaning decomposition reaction is the opposite of combination reactions. In this reaction, two reactants combine to form a single product. In decomposition reaction, one single reactant gives two or three products. Next class we will again learn about decomposition reaction. Okay, thank you.